Welcome, I am Ayşe and I will show you how to make this farm development process animation. I will use SketchUp, but I will not show you modeling part since it was a simple model. Then I will use Adobe Illustrator and most importantly Adobe After Effects. So let's begin. I prepared my models for every step as you can see. To make it animated, it is important to think steps of your animation and model accordingly. I also made simple side model to make the animation more architectural. I am deleting my building because our models will place there later. To export, you can choose one of the styles. If you want to color it later, you can choose hidden line style. I don't want to spend time on it, so I will choose shaded one. I will make an isometric view, so I am going to select parallel projection and isometric view. Then adding some shadows to give the building's depth. After being sure it is on the parallel projection, I am creating a scene to export it the same way in case there will be a problem or want to change something. Then going to File, Export and 2D Graphics. Doing same things to the stages and export. Import the file to Illustrator and embed it to be able to make changes on it. I will change the stroke settings to make all lines same size and correct corners. Select all and go to the stroke. Arrange size and then change the cap and corners to the round ones. Now I will add some color to green areas by just selecting the area and choose appropriate color. Then importing the other file, create new layer and carry it on a new layer by dragging the little square on the right side of the layers. Give them name and lock the side layer to work more efficiently. Also, I want to remind you the difference between Selection Tool and Direct Selection Tool. With Selection Tool, which has the shortcut V, you choose all shape. You can't edit paths individually. With the Direct Selection Tool, shortcuts A, you can select paths, lines. I am switching between them using shortcuts, so don't get confused. Here I am arranging the stroke of them too, and resizing to match the sides. I want to change the color. Just select one of them and go to Select, Same, Appearance. With this, you select all the ones with same color and give them color. After coloring, we need to create different layers for all steps. Select one step and carry it to the new layer with dragging the little square. Align all of them to not spend time on it in After Effects. Do same things to all of them. Open After Effects and create new project and new composition. You can change its name, size and duration on the window. Go to File, Import and File. Select the Illustrator file and select Composition from Import Settings. In this way, your shapes come where you place them in Illustrator. You can see all layers we made when you open the folder. Right-click and create the solid to make background. Select all layers and drag them to over the background. Lock and make invisible all the layers you will not use at that moment. For the first move, I will create quick animation for borders of the base. For that, select Pen tool and draw the borders. It will come as a shape layer. Go to Add and Trim Paths. Click the little arrow and open it. I am making the base invisible just to see it more clearly. You can see there are start and end. We will use them for this simple move. You can play with them to understand more. I am making both of them 0 and click the clock near the end. Then drag the indicator and make it 100. And this is the move. To give it more dynamism, select the keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant and make them Easy Ease. And go to Grab Editor and make it bigger. Click the grab and drag the little yellow circle. With this, you create a move goes from slow to fast. Take the shape layer over the base layer. Drag the beginning of the base layer where you want it to be appear. Press T and open opacity. Make it 0 at the beginning and 100 slightly after for smooth transition. To cut the layer, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D and delete because we will not see the shape after base appears. Also adding opacity keyframes to the shape there. Now we will do the pull-up move. For that, right-click to the layer and click Create Shapes from Vector Layer. You can also increase the quality by clicking the shape looks like sun. It doesn't make big change in my project, but you will definitely see differences at some projects. You can delete Illustrator layer since it's same with the shape layer. Click the shape layer and right path to the bar to open paths. Click the clocks of all paths to create keyframes. And create second ones. Select the first ones and deselect the paths on the shape that you don't want to move while pressing Shift. Move the shape to the base. You can arrange the lines by just clicking and dragging to their place. Now you can see the animation. I will again make them Easy Ease and change the movement a little bit. After that, I am doing what I did with trim paths. I will not show them again because otherwise video will be too long. For this step, I am just decreasing last step's opacity and increasing the other one. I'm doing last pull-up move. At this point, I want to show you one last thing. At this panel, you can choose the paths that you want to move by making others invisible. When you click on them, you can see which one is it. Also, one note, making shapes in Illustrator rather than SketchUp may decrease the path quantity. After that, do the same things, deselect corners and drag the shape at the first keyframes. Then open the visibility of groups. And now all you need to do is export. That is the result, guys. I hope you found it useful. Please share what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like to see more videos like this. See you!